right.
He's imitating me. I'm like this. You silly little girl.
No,
Don't. Oh, no. What?
Yeah, stay by Papa. I'm gonna sneak over here and get a little bit more video. Look at that car over there, you guys.
Oh, my God.
That man is sick.
He's gonna stop his car.
Oh,
The other guy got stuck.
I'm not even going out there.
I think he just did.
Yeah.
Underwater.
So what happened then?
There's no oxygen. It kind of stops the breathing of the car, and your car just dies.
He died.
I go back inside, or stay up here with the
With the big dog. Look at it raining.
Is it pretty? It's pretty. Look at the street. That is just crazy.
How would we have described this to you guys?
I don't think you could.
Want to come over here with everybody else? Is that what you're trying to do?
He's taking pictures too.
Hey, no.
No.